Hi friends, welcome to HashMap. Today in this video we'll see about linked hash map. So the specialty of linked hash map is it's maintain the order of elements inserted into it. So basically linked hash map it extends hash map and hash map it extends abstract map which implements map interface. So in this way the multi-level hierarchy or inheritance maintained. So let's go for linked hash map. So for that, what I've done, I've taken a linked HashMap demo class and I have instantiated the link HashMap class in the same format as map string key value pairs, and I've taken map of Luke's car. So basically, it will take all the luxury cars, right, with the brand as the key and the model as the value. So I provided the put method and I inserted the value of Jaguar F type and I evoke Jaguar being the car and the F type being the model, and Land Rover Evoque is the model, Mercedes-Benz C class, Lamborghini Urus model name. After that, I have taken Bentley. Note here, I have not inserted any value over here. So as int hash map also allows one null key and many multiple null values. So here note I have not taken any value for Bentley. So after that, I made the use of putIfAbsent. So putIfAbsent, what it does, if some existing value is not present over there, it updates that value over there, for that key, specific key. So Bentley will be mapped to Bentley Flying Spur, which is the model name. So it updates existing value if it's null, and while entering, it will take the latest value of the hash map, linked hash map, I mean to say. So that is the use of putIfAbsent method. So you can use it for that purpose. After that, I treated the map in the for each loop using the lambda expression keys value, and I printed the keys separate by the values. After that, what I've done, so if I wanted to know what is the size of map, so for that I have the size method. Okay, so I'll just write over here. So it will give me the link size of the linked hash map, and that ends our demo regarding our linked hash map. So first, I mean the code for the linked hash map demo. So let's see. As you can see in front of the screen, first output of linked hash map starts. Keys are Jaguar, values F type. Keys are Land Rover, values Evoque. Keys are Mercedes-Benz, values Mercedes-Benz C class. Keys are Lamborghini, values Lamborghini Urus. Keys are Bentley, and values are Bentley Flying Spur. So note here, putIfAbsent, it overrided the null value with the updated value which you pass as to the key. So that was the first output value linked hash map. Second output value taken the size for that. It taken the size as 5, so it correctly printed 5 as the size of the linked hash map, and that ends the output of the linked hash map. Second output of the linked hash map, as it printed on the console correctly. So that was all about linked hash map. Do keep liking, subscribing, hashtagging me. More to come on even collection related API and other videos on core Java basics and other topics also. Bye for now.